Welcome back, students of our International English Olympiad classes. In our today's class, we are going to discuss chapter number 8, that is article, and so on and so forth, the successive chapters. So, what are articles? A and the, A and the. These three are articles in our English language. Okay. Generally, the rule is for consonants we use A and the. For words that are beginning with a vowel, we should put an, an. Okay. So let us begin. Our first portion is fill in the blanks with a suitable article from the given option. We have to choose the correct article to complete the sentence. So first question is Rohan's mother is dash teacher, is our teacher. Okay, now our trip to Simla was dash exciting one. Our trip to Simla was an exciting one. Why an? Because our word is starting with an vowel. Okay, our word is starting with a vowel, so we are using an. Dash rice is the main food of South Indians. Okay, rice is the main food of South Indians. In some cases, we don't need any article. In that case, we should be writing no article. Rice is the main food of South Indians. So here no article is needed to complete the sentence. Okay. Now question number 4. Bravery is a virtue. Dash bravery is a virtue. Here also we don't need any article. So the answer should be option number D, that is no article. Okay. Now question number 5. Dash bravery of Lakshmi Bai is praiseworthy. The bravery, here we are talking about a person in particularly. Okay. So here before bravery we should put the, but here we are talking about a universal truth that bravery is a virtue. It's known to all. Then we are not using article there. But when we are talking about bravery of a person, then we are using the. Now question number 6. Dash mangoes grows in summer. No articles. No article is needed. Okay. Mangoes grows in summer. We know that. Now question number 7. The thirsty crow thought of dash plan. The thirsty crow thought of a plan. What dash wonderful day, said the tourist. What a wonderful day, said the tourist. I wish to become dash eye surgeon. So I is here starting with a vowel. For question number 9, our answer should be I wish to become an eye surgeon. The sun is dash brightest star in the sky. The sun is the brightest sky in the sky. So option number B. My father always reads dash Times of India. My father always reads the Times of India. The here is used as an definite article. We are talking about a newspaper mentioning the name, definitely indicating that paper. So we are using here the. Now question number 12. Mother Teresa worked for dash poor. Worked for the poor. Dash Andaman and Nicobar Islands were once known as Black Waters. Andaman and Nicobar Island, the Andaman and Nicobar Island were once known as Black Waters. Now, question number 14. Dash little knowledge is dangerous thing. Dash little knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Manu is studying at Dash University in USA. In the case of university, even though it is starting with a vowel, what should we put? Manu is studying at university, a university, because the sound of university is sounding ea. The sound is not sounding like an. This is some exception that we should follow the rules of articles. Manu is studying at a university in the US. 16. I need dash onion and dash tomato for salad. I need dash onion and dash tomato. I need an onion and a tomato. Dash Ganga and dash Yamuna meet at Allahabad. Dash Ganga and Yamuna meet at Allahabad. So answer should be the Ganga and the Jamuna. These are definite noun, naming words. We are talking about the Ganga and the Yamuna, so we will be using the. Rohit is going to Chandigarh by dash Chandigarh Shatabdi Express and will see dash rock garden. Okay, so what would be our answer? Rohit is going Chandigarh by the Chandigarh Shatabdi Express and will see the rock garden. Dash tiger is striped animal. Dash tiger is striped animal. The tiger is a striped animal. Necessity is dash mother of invention. Necessity is dash mother of invention. For 20, our answer should be the necessity is the mother of invention. Here no article is needed. The necessity is the mother of invention. Okay, after 20 it is completed. Let us move to 21. Read the given story, fill in the blank with most appropriate articles from the blank. So we have to read the story and complete. One day dash tortoise asked dash rabbit to run a race with him. So what would be in the blank? This is our option. One day, this should be option. A tortoise asked a rabbit. So one day a tortoise asked a rabbit to run. 23. Here also I think it would be A. For 24, the. So A, the. One day a tortoise and a rabbit asked a rabbit to run a race with him. The rabbit laughed and called dash tortoise a fool and challenged excellent runner like him. So for 25 it would be the, and for 26 it would be an. Okay. The, an. So laughed and called the tortoise a fool to challenge an excellent runner like him. But he agreed. Soon after the day started, the rabbit was far ahead. So he thought of dash idea. Thought of an idea. 27. Okay. Now 28. What would be in 28? Thought of a. 29 should be no article, and 30 the. Okay, so he decided to take a nap under a tree. On seeing this, tortoise made an extra effort. Here no article. Okay, no article. And reached dash end point, and reached the end point. When the rabbit woke up, it was too late. Okay, so one day a tortoise asked the rabbit to run a race with him. The rabbit laughed and called the tortoise a fool to challenge an excellent runner like him. But he agreed. Soon after the day started, the rabbit was far ahead. So he thought of an idea. He decided to take a nap under a tree. On seeing this, the tortoise made an extra effort and reached the end point. When the rabbit woke up, it was too late. So all of these are our answer. Now the adjectives section. We have to choose the correct article to complete the sentence. Thanks, that was dash useful advice. Thanks, that was a useful advice. 32. They visited dash Victoria Memorial. They visited dash Victoria Memorial during the Kolkata trip. They visited the Victoria Memorial. Dash Dal Lake freezes in winter sometimes. No article. Dal Lake freezes in winter sometimes, so no articles. 34. This is the tallest building in India. This should be the. 35. We met dash soldier at the railway section. The soldier was going to China border. We meet the soldier and he was going to China border. That's all for this chapter. Now let us move to the chapter preposition. What is preposition? A preposition is a word or group of words that shows the relation of a noun or a pronoun with other words in a sentence. It shows where someone or something is. Now we have to choose the correct preposition to fill in the blank. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated dash 2nd October. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. On is the correct preposition for this sentence. Okay. India got independence dash midnight. India got independence at midnight. India got independence at midnight. There is a ban dash mobile phone in Sami's office. There is a ban on mobile phones. On mobile phone. For question number 3, on is the correct option. Rati always travels by bus. By is the correct option. Okay. For question number 4, by is the B option is the correct answer. The old man divided the money dash his 2 sons. The old man divided his money between his 2 sons. Dash food we gave poor some money. Dash food we gave the poor some money. For question number 6, besides the food. Correct preposition should be besides the food. Now question number 7. Exam seats were distributed dash the children. Exam seats were distributed among the children. Don't talk dash meals. Don't talk dash meals. Don't talk during meals. You should never talk while having your food. Our correct preposition for this sentence should be during. Okay. The tiger walked dash the trap. The tiger walked into the trap. Correct option should be into. Alice killed 2 birds dash 1 stone. Alice killed 2 birds with 1 stone. She came home dash early. She came home dash early. She came home early. There, none of this is the correct answer. Maybe she came home today early. It may be like this, but none of this is the correct preposition for this sentence. Suman doesn't believe dash luck. Suman doesn't believe in luck. Rachit comes dash a rich family. Rachit comes from a rich family. Be kind dash animals. Be kind to animals. Okay. Question number 15. Exercise is good dash health. Exercise is good for health. Okay. Now let us move to the second question or second portion. Here our questions start from number 16. Okay, read the passage and choose the most appropriate preposition from the given below. So, just like other chapters, here we are given a passage and we have to read the chapter and put correct preposition from the given uh, boxes or given options. Student, for our next part, what we have here, we have to read the passage and choose the most appropriate preposition that goes with the passage. Okay, I have marked the correct answer beforehand for your own good. I am Rohini. I live in, so answer would be I live in Jaipur. Dash winter, during winter. Okay, for during winter, I like to travel to Manali. To Manali. The station we went from the station for 21 for 20 from the station from Jaipur to Manali. Dash station 21 dash station from the station we went to our hotel by cab. We stopped 23. What is the answer for 23? We stopped for 23. We stopped at for 23. We stopped at a small tea shop for quick breakfast. The driver parked the car beside the tea shop. After breakfast, we waited for half an hour. The driver went to the park near the tea shop and slept. We were very angry for our driver. Sorry, we were very angry upon our driver. Okay, we were very angry upon our driver. Sorry, I am referring to the driver. This would be near. Here the answer would be near. I'm getting confused because of this page and this page thing. I'm sorry for that. For 27 we waited for 29 behind. We were very angry with our driver. Finally we reached our hotel. Now at hotel we were warmly welcomed. Okay, that is our answers. Now let us move to achievers section. Now choose the correct preposition to complete this sentence. Here more questions are given. The flood caused a lot of damage dash the forest. For the forest. I am fed up dash this continuous rain. I am fed up of this continuous rain. I am fed up of this continuous rain. The flight from Italy to London dash Frankfurt. The flight from Italy to London was via Frankfurt. Our answer for 33. Just a minute. The flight from Italy to London was via. Okay. What are the causes dash water pollution? What are the causes of water pollution? Are crocodiles different from alligators? Okay. Are the crocodiles different from alligators? Okay students, with that we finish our chapter. In our next chapter we will discuss further with another chapters.